giving yourself a space to really investigate within the way Jesus did 2,000 years ago. This is not a religious program. I am not religious at all. And what happened was I started to really kind of hear that voice that was saying, I want this to be available to more people. And and I wanted it to be free. I wanted people to really be able to experience your true nature. And so when Bill and I started the Teachers of God Foundation, which is now called the Center for Awakening, this was the very first thing that we did. Like I created brand new videos, practices. And so it's amazing to me that it carries on, but the content is still the same. It's the same message that can change your life. This is a live program, okay? It's offered live, and it's only offered live usually once a year now. Really allow yourself to feel like Jesus did 2,000 years ago when he was working as a carpenter. He was born into circumstances that were quite different from what we're born into. Like Jesus was born into a family that was speaking of angels and a special function and purpose, that he was the chosen one. Like his mother had already was already hearing a voice, had already seen angels, and Jesus came into this world as a very young boy being told of the mystical and the metaphysical. And most of us didn't have that, right? Like we weren't born into circumstances where we were nurtured and we weren't told of this light. We weren't told of a special function. We were told that we're bodies and we're not good enough and you got to work hard and you got to make stuff happen and be quiet and stop talking and why are you doing that? And that's what we were born into, right? How many of you know there's something more, right? There's something more than this limited 3D experience of born into the body, work a job, maybe get some vacations, and then you die. I mean, that sounds depressing, but that's kind of the story of this world. It's like we struggle, we have moments of happiness, we mostly struggle. We live our lives in confusion and doubt. And then we put things on the calendar that maybe are exciting, like maybe something to look forward to. And then we start to age. People around us die or they get sick, and then we die. Like as a very young girl, this didn't make any sense to me. I was like, okay, manifest. We're here to wake up. We're here for this awakening to our true nature. And my entire life since then has really been this journey of discovery. Like, really, I've never really been interested in exploring the outer, even though I go places. I've traveled a lot. I've done the Camino 2 times. I've been around the world. But I was never really interested in that so much. I was interested in the journey of discovery of what's within. Okay? Like, I want you to feel like this is your time, 43 days as an explorer of the inner landscape, to be an adventurer, and to really use this time to follow my instruction. I've been to the land you want to go to, peace and happiness. I live here now, and I'm still in a body. This experience isn't when you die. This experience is available to everyone right here, right now, where you can really begin to access a realization of your true nature, your eternal true nature program. I use the term God, and God is another name for ourself, our true nature. which is infinite and eternal and powerful, pure power, pure presence, pure love. That's what you are. But we believe we're a body. We believe I'm limited, I'm weak, I'm frail, I'm sick, I'm suffering. These people are doing things. I don't have any money. You're being tempted by the thoughts you believe about yourself. But it's the same for everyone that we're tempted to go back to our body identity. We wanted to offer it. We offer it as a gift. Um, you can do it by yourself, self-study if you want. You'll get all the videos, you'll get all the practices. If you want to do it in community, that's what this group journey is about. You're going to get access to like live Zoom calls, a Facebook group. You can be with the group